My fluency is all-time problem. Whenever I start speaking, I'm stuck. Ideas are not on the way. Even if I get the ideas, I fumble. Do you have any video where I get those hacks to work on my fluency? Then trust me, this is the video because I've inculcated super 5 hacks that help you improve your fluency. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with it another video. Today's video is all about 5 hacks to improve on your IELTS speaking fluency to get a band 8. Before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and anytime you need online assistance, you can WhatsApp us to the number given there. I'll be there, we will be there to help you guide you in the right direction. By the way, it's a paid course. Alright, let's straight away get into the video. Let me just share my screen. 5 fluency hacks for a band 8 in speaking. The hack number 1. Remember, try to speak at a continuous speed. It doesn't mean that you have to speak fast. Am I speaking fast right now? No. I'm trying to be as continuous as possible, but I'm going slow. See, if you try to speak fast, what happens? You don't have much clarity on what you speak. Correct? You need to filter out the thoughts and then speak, but you try to speak very fast. This filtering is also very fast. There will be some mismatch. Because of that, these things will happen. Correct? The advantage of going slow, you can actually process in parallel and try to go at a continuous speed. I'm not asking you go slow. All I'm asking you is go at a continuous speed. Continuous. Maybe you can go at 60 km per hour. Some people think fluency means 100 km per hour. Not required. Well, a lot of people do speak at 100 km per hour and yet they get that perfect fluency. But well, if you don't belong to that category, well and good, no issues. Go slow, but try to be continuous. Go at a rhythmic pace so that the listener will not even know that you are actually speaking slow or understanding, filtering the process. Right now, I am speaking slow. I am not going fast, but I am trying to speak continuous so that the listener, you guys will not even know that I am speaking slow. You guys think, oh, this guy is speaking good, perfect. But I am speaking very slow. I am speaking very slow. I am speaking very slow. Both have huge difference. When you speak slow, you buy that extra time and that time you use it for processing. Easy peasy, but make sure you speak at a continuous pace. That's the hack number 1. Hope you are getting it. Hack number 2, have clarity on what you speak. Don't allow the thoughts, let's say all the thoughts. See, it's a brain, right? Human brain is a marvel. Human mind is a marvel. It can produce millions of content, millions of thought at once. Be wise enough to narrow down, to channelize. See, this bombard you with lot of thoughts, and those thoughts will come here through some signals and your tongue has to pronounce. But the tongue doesn't have intelligence. Yes or no? Tongue doesn't have intelligence. This has intelligence. Use this to send only one thought or thought after thought, like in a pipe, how the water gushes. One after the other, one after the other, in a narrow channel. This is the speaking art. This is where you learn the art of speech. This needs some practice. You channelize the thoughts. Don't let all the thoughts. Let's say IELTS examiner asks you a question, where do you live? And all the thoughts, I live in Bangalore. Bangalore is a good place. A lot of thoughts do come in, but channelize them, leave them one by one. For this, you practice. In the end, I have got some practicing source using which you can actually learn this technique. But the idea is channelize them so that you don't fumble. The tongue doesn't have intelligence. Whatever you feed from here, it will just listen. So feed one by one. It knows only one data it will produce. If you feed 100 together, these things are very common. Hope you are getting it. This is the hack number 2. Hack number 3. Every day speak about how your day was for 10 minutes. And don't just speak. Download a sound recording app in the phone. Click record, keep it and just speak confidently. Just speak. And later, using the recording, understand how many fumbles and why the fumbles are happening. For example, if you ask me to do this for a minute now, I got up today at 6 a.m. Indian time and then I did my yoga and the meditation stuff. Later, I had my black coffee called Kopi Luwak, which then followed by me going to play badminton. I finished playing at probably 10 o'clock, sat there in a group for a coffee and came home by 11 o'clock. post 11 o'clock I had my schedule starting. I took my PT classes, prepared from PPT. This is happening because I don't have clarity. Did some mocks, did some classes, and then shot some YouTube videos, and then here I am doing the video. I did not fumble even once. But if you are fumbling, correct, give it a thought as to why you are fumbling. That's exactly you need to put a question mark. Don't question your ability, question your inability to understand why the fumbles are happening. So record it and speak. There would be a lot of fumbles to start with when you start doing this activity. When you listen to the recording, when there are fumbles, just click on the pause and try to understand why am I fumbling. There would be a reason, man. It's very individual, right? You would know why you're fumbling. So put that question mark and understand. When you understand, you get a chance to fix them in the subsequent attempts. This is how you make mistakes, you learn. You fall and get up. Directly going to the sky is not possible. Hope you get that. That's the hack number 3. Hack number 4. Speak less. People don't have this common sense. We tend to speak more. As a result, we only fall into the trap. Think and decide. Should I speak this? Not required. Probably I could chuck this off. I can speak only this. Narrow down the things. Don't have to speak everything. Speak less. It's not about speaking more. It's about speaking with a quality. Right? It's about conveying. You can convey a particular message probably by talking 5 minutes or by talking 1 minute. In the end, what matters is the message should be conveyed. So even in your IELTS speaking, speak less, because the more you speak, the more mistakes you make. Very simple. Speak less, speak less, speak less. That's a hack number 4. And the last hack, hack number 5. See, when I speak or when you are speaking, it's all about here getting a picture, watching the picture and then speaking. It all boils down to the concept of visualization. The better visualization skills you have, the better speech, better writing skill, better reading skill, better listening skill, everything just gets fixed. Correct? So it all boils down to visualization. Now you need to do some activities which helps you enhance, hone these skills, enhance these visualization skills. One is reading activity. Don't just watch a movie. Watching will probably not help you visualize more. Watching, the director has to visualize and give you that picture. You don't have to visualize. You just have to sit on a sofa, have your coffee and just watch. Easy peasy. That's very easy activity. No tension here. You read, you have to get the picture. You listen, you have to get the picture. Listening to podcasts or reading books is probably one of the best activities that I can talk about to enhance the visualization skills. And once that happens, speaking is the cakewalk, man. Trust me on this. The more you listen, the more you read, visualization skills will be improved. Speaking needs better visualization skills, and this is it. Hope you are getting it. Hope I made sense with this 5 hacks. You like the video, then do like this video by leaving your appreciation with the thumbs up and leave a comment, because your comments are really valuable for us. With this, I'll park it here. This is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon I'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye bye.